Okay, this is the first set of those Life in the Like videos, so I just started it now. I'm recording this on the 10th of September. I don't know when I'm but yeah, I'm gonna throw out some back videos and everything else, and let's start with this. Just check it out. Enjoy, guys. Hey mate, so yeah, it's been a busy day today. I have a few classes today. Good thing I didn't have any laboratory for this morning, but quite busy and a lot of deadlines, and yeah, and I'm gonna go out now and just meet ORIG again because we're gonna try to meet the client. Tomorrow's gonna be shooting a wedding for Dawn, and yeah, it's gonna be a busy weekend, busy week. So I don't know where to start from the vlog today. It's already late again. It's around 4:44, and yeah, I can feel the echo in the room. But anyway, I'm just gonna try to finish this, take a shower, and then head out. I don't know if we're gonna have a vlog, but we'll see. Oh shit, so cloudy today. So cloudy. It's gonna rain anytime soon. Decided to go outside and check out the fog. Yeah, it's kind of foggy. It is foggy. Patiently waiting for my new lens to arrive, and I'm trying out the S-Log, which is gonna go haywire when I go up in the sun like this. But yeah. So how are you guys going? Oh my goodness, it's like, how do you lower the? There you go. So yeah, how are you guys going? Yeah, it's been quite a hectic week, and I have deadlines, and I need to finish them fast. Also, I'm practicing this 18mm focal length because I'll be using it on my new lenses coming. I'm getting an 18mm lens, and we're gonna do an unboxing once I get that. But for now, I'm trying out S-Log 3 on this A7C camera. Wonder how it goes. I don't know about skin tone. I'm gonna try to go get some light. Ooh, not bad. Anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna do coffee. I forgot my mug. I'm gonna go back down. So, getting out there to get some coffee. And yeah. So, yeah. I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm gonna get some coffee and I'm gonna start my day. And I'm whispering because Laura's just still asleep downstairs. It's around 9 or 10 p.m. but she has work around 4. So that's why I'm lowering my voice though. Got a bit of sun today, but yeah, my hair looks like shit. I know. So yeah, gotta make coffee. Okay, got my coffee and my sandwich. I'm going down now, and yes, let's see how this footage looks. Yeah, S-Log 3, 8-bit. Yeah. And I'm going back to the garage where I usually work. I wonder what the color is with this thing, but yeah. Hey guys, it's the 29th of August, and I just got this lens here, which I'm loving. It's a Sigma 18mm 2.8. It's just like my, yeah, it's within the range of my Tamron 1728. But the thing is, this one here is so light, so fit for my camera right now. And yeah, it's around 7 a.m. also today. I've been up all night. I've been trying to finish an assessment, and yeah, all this lockdown, all this stress has been weighing me down, and the thing is, I'm not able to write effectively until now, and today's my deadline. Well, today's my extension deadline, so I'm dead meat. But anyway, yeah, I'll try to do something. I also have some things to finish for tomorrow, and yeah. getting a bit stressed out, but yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna fight. We're gonna fight. I wish. Yeah, I'm just here, just saying hi to you guys, and hope you're doing fine out there. As for me, I'm struggling, but still fighting. Yeah. 7 a.m. Still working on this shit here, and yeah, I have an assessment to pass today. But the thing is, today's my deadliest deadline because my deadline was supposed to be on the 27th on my dad's birthday, but I asked for an extension. Today's my extension, so I'm dead meat. Let's get this done and over with. Also, I have things to do for tomorrow, like some things I need to pass and some things I need to update for this week. Oh man, it's just so stressful. And this lockdown is not helping. Like the cases are not going down, and yeah, we're still in lockdown. We're shit. Lockdown 6 in Victoria. Anyway, yeah, we'll see how this day goes. Oh, and also my eyes hurt. Like they hurt. Like they hurt. I've been putting drops on it. I shouldn't sleep now. I should turn the lights back on, because I just turned it off just to vlog to you guys. Yeah, bad morning for today. I'm so sleepy, and we have 92 cases. You fucking shit. 92 cases. These assholes are shit. Okay, it's 10 p.m. and I still have a deadline. I just slept all day. Fuck. Good day, guys. Yeah, I seldom go out right now, but today I have to go out because my car, which is here, that one, is sick. So my car just got discharged. So I was trying to get in the car yesterday and then start. So I reckon it discharged. It's been discharging for me a lot of times. Might be because I haven't been using it, but yeah. So I hope this car's not gonna conk it. Anyway, good day, and it's around 7 a.m. It's cold, as you can see in my car. So yeah, it's cold. But it's nice to be outside here. I'll be finishing my stuff. I haven't had sleep yet, but I've been sleeping the whole day yesterday, so that's just fine. So let me just try to put this somewhere here. And let's check what's inside. So yeah, let's try to test the car and see if it runs and see how these goes. Okay, I'm going back inside for more work and everything. Just saw 2 people there. They were like on snow costumes. It's not that cold, but I just saw them. They're Asians. I'm Asian. It's around 1:47. I haven't had sleep. I just folded the laundry and I'm still here. Yeah. This glass doesn't have any anti-reflection, so you see it's a lot of reflection. It's annoying. I'm so sleepy, but I need to finish a lot of things. Just got up. It's around 9 p.m. and yeah, that's the air fryer. So noisy out there behind me. Need to do a lot of things. I'm fucked up. September 1, and yeah, good. We're September. And when you look at the COVID cases, it went to 74, 76, 75, 70 something to 120. So we're fucked up. Guys, wake me up when September ends. Also, yeah, it's a bear month, so Joe Marichan will be playing, and we'll be getting the memes right now. But other than that, fuck, man. I just wish somehow, somewhere, we're gonna ease a bit, because, yeah, I'm getting stressed out. It's getting ridiculous, guys, but it is what it is. You guys take care. Oh, okay. And one more thing. Just trying to edit what I just said earlier, and just found out that S-Log3 on an 8-bit camera like that looks good. Kind of dig it. I'll just try to check again, because I went back to what do you call this, the BP one, Scenic 4, and yeah, but that's just jargon. You guys, you're not gonna care about it. Just for me to take note. Okay, so yeah, again, sorry about this blog. This is just for life documentation. Okay, see you next time. Friday was sad yesterday because the thing is we have around 174 cases, which is a lot for a single day here in Victoria. So yeah, we're still on lockdown 6, and it sucks big time. And I woke up today because I need to finish a lot of stuff, and I also have an exam in a few. I just realized that we have around 206 cases today, so we're fucked up. Just a personal thought. I think these cases are from the protests, because the thing is, there are lots of linked cases, but also there are lots of cases which are unlinked and mysterious. So yeah, if you go to a protest, you don't tell the government that you go, and you don't tell them where you have been, so they're mystery. But in reality, you were in the CBD protesting. So yeah, to those who protested, fuck you. Okay, need to go to the post office right now. I'm gonna need to mail something because we're on lockdown. It's because you guys want freedom. Now we don't have freedom. Fuck you. Okay, relax, Mick, relax. I'm just pissed off, guys. Stupidity. So yeah, just was heading towards here, which is the post office, in this car. It was more than a half in the road. He was on the part of my lane, and I was like, what the fuck? But yeah, I just went through and then pressed the horn, and he raised his hand when he passed by, and he acknowledged. Like, yeah, people are weird these days. Like, I think I don't know what he was thinking. He's not driving properly. I don't know. Is it because of the lockdown, or I don't know. My English is like a bit cringe, and I'm sorry for that because I haven't been talking to the camera lately like a crazy guy like this. Anyway, I need to go inside because I need to do a lot of things today. So yeah. Okay, just done with the groceries, and yeah, so it was bright sunny earlier, and now it's like approaching rainy, so it's gonna rain anytime soon. Anyway, I'm gonna try to unload the stuff and start studying. Ooh, the light is like blown out. That should be fine. Okay, need to work now. Hey guys, just gonna put. Okay, so we're still on lockdown right now, and yeah, I'm struggling with everything, just like last year. So it's amazing how this virus that started suddenly late 2019 or early 2020 just devastated the world, and like yeah, 2020 is gone. 2021's halfway there, but I think it's almost gone. Yeah, it's quite frustrating, but yeah, thing is, just like any one of us, we're struggling from this pandemic, and our mental healths are like going haywire. Here in Melbourne, we have strict rules, but there's some assholes who doesn't follow all the rules and everything else. As for me, I'm trying to concentrate on my studies and also do a lot of vlogs at the same time and do a lot of videos. But yeah, what's happening right now is that creativity is always going down. Every time I'm ready to go, like I can just remember weeks ago I was trying out a gym membership because I was trying to lose weight and yeah, prepare for summer or something like that. But yeah, just right after I had my like second to the last session, we're on lockdown of that free trial. Good thing I wasn't able to get a membership and just had a free trial. But yeah, it's been tough for all of us, and it's been tough. But yeah, so in saying that, I'm gonna try to do something else different. Last year I just went, I don't know, but yeah, this time I'll try to do some quick videos and everything else, and I'll try to make them more interesting. And I know like my creativity is like fucked up, and I don't want to film sometimes. I just force myself, and you can see my vlogs here, they're all just blabbers and everything. Like this is a blabber, but I just hope that in the next few days I can get a good vlog, an awesome vlog, And yeah, so I'm inviting all of you to also say something in the comments and yeah, just converse. Because the thing is, I think I just needed some conversation with my audience, although I have only a few audience right now. Yeah, that way we can make new vlogs and I'll get more ideas from you guys and you get ideas from me and all that. But other than that, yeah, again, saying I'm just lost for, I don't know, am I gonna post this? I'm just lost for thoughts right now. I'm just gonna go what I need to do. And supposedly if you're gonna vlog, it has to be eye level, and this camera is lower than my eye level. If I'm gonna go higher than this is gonna be eye level. So this is eye level. I just want to try it. Fuck.